Hey everyone, welcome to How to Fix It Workshop. Today I'm working on this. You see, my son's spring/Easter party is coming up, and well, apparently I got signed up for doing a game instead of just bringing paper plates or something like that. And it's at his preschool. So, a bunch of preschool kids. So, I didn't really know what I was doing at first. I kind of just started putting something together. And I thought maybe a beanbag toss thing. So that's what this is going to be. Basically, I have 2 pieces of plywood on hinges. It's real simple like that. I took two 2x4s, 21 inch, and then 2 here are 24 inch. And just a couple, I think these are 10-inch legs on the side. Basically, what's going to happen, here's the idea for this little contraption. So, being that it's spring or Easter themed, we're going to have like a bunny on this side, a duck on this side, or is this a chick? One of the two. Anyway, I'm going to attach this bucket. I got another bucket there, and then when they throw the 2 kids will throw in bean bags, and when beanbag makes it in, this will weigh that down, and up will come Mr. Chick here, or Duck. So either Chick wins or Bunny wins on this side. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to finish up this project. Hopefully it turns out just well. Thanks. Luckily, that's got a little center hole.
I don't have my shoes on, but that's okay.
Why don't you have shoes on?
Because.
Okay.
Oh, you got the duck on there now?
We'll zip tie the duck on there. Yep.
And then you do this.
Well, no.
Wait, why is it not down?
Well, I'm working on it.
Can I do the bunny?
Hold on.
It's pretty cute.
It's a cute bunny, huh?
Wait, is this
This is going to
dry?
be for your school, huh?
Yep. Is this dry?
Yeah, it's dry.
Oh yeah, it is dry. How do you have to drill this?
Well, okay. Okay, so I'm going to zip tie these a little bit more.
Oh, you have to do it a little more before it stays.
Yep.
I didn't know you were gonna do that.
Let's see, maybe.
Oh, I can see the video on you. Can I watch? Beanin'. Oh, I can see my arm.
Stop. Stop that, buddy.
Hello. Yay. Hello, baby, your screen. Yeah. Cheese.
All right. So
Did you get it?
this should, when you get in there, the duck should come up. You get in this side.
Bunny.
Bunny. Now,
Done.
let's give it a try.
Try. Shoot it. Try it.
Let's see.
I can see it.
Oh, see.
Oh, you did
You
it!
gotta get two in order to win.
Oh. Good.
There you go.
There we go. Now we did it. Let's show mine. I'll get mine.
To stick with the Easter theme, I got this Peeps tablecloth. I'm gonna just cut it to shape here and staple it around the edges. So two kids would play, but I'm just doing one at a time. And they take two in and then bunny one. Okay. There's duck. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.